Hello, I'm Mark from Whitebox. Today we've got this lovely van and we've got one of our wonderful customers who's come back. I had to say that because he's down there working on the other one, but he's got a Volkswagen Combi. Came to us a few years ago and had this near side unit put on there. But he's realised over the time he's needed a bit more space. So what can we do? Does he have to have a new racking system? No, what we've done, we've created exactly the same replica of the racking system he's got in there to put in this other side. But what I really wanted to show you today is how easy it is to take this racking out. It means that, you know, when you're changing vans or you want to upgrade or change your racking, you're not stuck with what you got. So that initial investment will continue to work and work and work for you. So let's get going, get this racking out. Just need to get a spanner. With a few bolts out, I mean, I know we cleared out the van beforehand, but once that's out, it's literally taken less than 5 minutes to get that racking unbolted. So what we're going to do now, take that out, get the floor out, re-drill the holes for the new racking, get it all back in again, and within an hour we'll be done. So keep watching. Okay, we now finished this van install. We've got the second racking unit on the right hand side. Pretty simple. All we had to do, take the racking out like we showed you at the beginning, mark out the floor, we put the second unit in. So now we've got a double rack unit. You know, the van's been used for over a year now, and now he's got so much more extra space. Guess who's back again? No, don't do that. No, turn it off.